You ready for your first bite of solid food, Ben? Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Come on. Don't. Good girl, Ben. Good girl, Penny. Thank you for helping. Yeah. You didn't like that? Okay, we'll try again. Here we go. Ready? You're trying. No, not so much. Okay, try one more. Ready? No, you don't like it. Okay.